biyaya sa ating dulot niya kahit iba't iba, isang pamilya. Walang talikalang magbibihag sa puso ng bawat isa. Pag-ibig at pag-asa ang madarama, panahon ng dakilang saya. As little children, we would dream of Christmas morn, of all the gifts and toys we knew we'd find, but we never realized a baby born one blessed night gave us the greatest gift of our lives. We were the reason that He gave His life. We were the